How to apply for Oyster card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can register for Oyster card online. The process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. You can apply for Oyster card online at Transport for London. Now how you can do so? All you have to do is you can simply go ahead and head into your browser and search in for TfL Government UK. You can directly search in for tfl.government.uk, or you can search it this way and you can see Transport for London, and you can see here contact list and Oyster account. You can tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get the option to sign in or create an account. So you want to simply tap on it and go ahead and create the account. You want to set up an Oyster photocard account, provide the required information and pay the administration fee, and then submit your application. Now you'll need to provide an active email address, student enrollment ID, work placement start and end date, digital photo, debit credit card, and details from a valid passport. Now once approved, your card will be posted to you. Where to buy an Oyster card? Oyster ticket stops in many news agents in London, Tube, most London Overground and most Elizabeth Line stations, London City Airport TLR station, visitor centres, the tram leaving. So this is how you can register or apply for Oyster card online. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.